What's up, everybody? CJ here from Fence Fur Adventures, and yeah, we're not doing exams today. We're building jug lines, and I'm gonna show you start to finish how I build my catfish jugs. Hopefully, you learned something today. PVC, so it's 3/4 inch Schedule 40 pipe. I cut them 12 inches long. I cut the foam 10.5 inches long, just to give us some room to put the caps on each side. So what we're gonna do now, we got them all cut. Gonna put that in there. All right, let's get us some cleaner. I probably should open that earlier. All right, we're gonna do this number. Get our cement that's totally glued on. All right, here we go. You don't have to use all this. I'm overkill. Just know that. Get a good seal. We're gonna put that on there and hope for the best. Oh, see, that's why I wear the gloves. And just spin it just a quarter turn. We'll come back in there and make it decent. Boom. That's that. See, we just need a little extra room. So here we go. Cleaner. Glue. Cap. I'll spin it while I put it on, which kind of helps it get everywhere. Get a good seal. And you can wipe the excess off, or you can leave it. It doesn't matter. Anyway, we have a perfect jug line right here, and you got plenty enough room to put your line on right there. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, knock all these out, and I'm gonna come back with you, and we're gonna get all these strings put on. How about that? So here we go. I was gonna make some deep drops, my double rigs, but I'm just gonna make some shallow ones. I ain't got any shallow water ones. So, and I only had a couple 4-ounce sinkers. So, but anyway, I think overall from eye to here is like 14 inches, and I got like a little 1/2 ounce. I'm pretty sure egg weight, and then the string tar coated size number 24, 700 foot, 240 pounds, Forever Black. Let's just tie the rest of them together. These strings are probably, I don't know, about 5 foot. I just take them, do a little half hitch. Pull her tight. And just old square knot it. Granny knot. They learned that from the Germans, and Americans been using it ever since. Thank you, Germany. Don't fact check that, I just said that. So we got that, got her tied. We take one of our little rigs, and I just tie a little bowline. About the strongest knot you can do. Up, over, back through the hole, tie her tight. And then some more old German granny knots. Call her goods, huh? There it is. We got them done. Right there. Roll it up, whip it in there. You ready for the next one? Got me some new nails. I call them fence staples. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. 1.5 inches long. We got us some 8-ounce styrofoam cups, and then some Quikrete. And we'll take some more cups. gonna need 20 of these guys. But probably asking yourself, what in the hell are you doing? Well, making some jug line anchors. And instead of going buying lead, buy you a sack of Sackcrete. These staples, I just bent them out a little bit. That way whenever they sit in there, they sit like this, and that concrete will go over the top of it. It'll have something to hold it in there so it won't pull out. Anyway, we're just gonna do this. Get us some Sackcrete. Pop it down a little bit. And then stick her in there. Alright, that's it. That's what I got. Got some string. Did them like 12 foot long. But again, on the opposite end, we got them hooks tied on. Gonna put this string. I'm gonna take her cup. There you have it. We'll tie us a little bowl. Look, grinding up. That's it. I'm gonna give y'all a shot of what it looked like. You get your weight to there, and then you got your hook on the opposite end. So what I'm thinking, with it like that, the hook's always gonna be tight. So whenever that fish actually jerks, it's gonna jerk up against the jug. And that way, I shouldn't miss a lot of fish. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And till we meet again.